Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the reasons why one should be running ads on Snapchat. So there are major reasons. One of the most important reasons is that it has a massive youth reach, which you get with Snapchat. You can imagine that over 850 million monthly active users come on Snapchat on a monthly basis with 432 million daily active users. And the age group is between 13 to 24 years, which you can target over here. And majority of it is coming from US, which is like 100 plus million users here, India, UK, and Middle East. So it's a huge Gen Z and millennial focused demographics, which you can target if your business is into products and services are into that particular demographic. Also, it's a global reach. It is operates across 70 plus countries with strong penetration into North America, Europe, and emerging markets like India. Another reason is the high engagement and visual attention which you get over here. So what has been observed is the session time is users spend like 30 minutes daily on Snapchat, engaging with full screen immersive content, and it's resulting in 2x higher visual attention. The video and AR dominance is also here. 60% of users interact with video ads and 70% engage with AR lenses. Impulse purchases happens as well because 60% of the Snapchat users are more likely to purchase impulse buys using after seeing certain ads. So businesses like e-commerce and retail really benefit from such kind of advertisements which they can do. Also, what has been seen is on this platform, you get to do different levels of advanced targeting, device targeting, which is demographics targeting, interest-based targeting, behavioral, custom and lookalike audiences are also available here to target. Also, you can do geo-targeting, so different, you can use filters and AR lenses can target specific locations. If you look at the budget aspect of it or the costing of advertising with respect to Snapchat, it is far more affordable compared to Meta or Google, where the CPMs are between $5 to $10 per thousand impressions, versus and CPCs are between 10 cents to $1 for clicks. So the minimum budget needed over here is $5 per day, and you can easily start advertising. So works really well for small businesses and platforms. Now, the ROI is also much better because you get like 30% higher engagement rates here, 20% higher conversion rates, which you can anticipate, predict, hopefully get from such advertising. So the pricing models which CPM provides you are CPC, CPM, CPA, all are available out here for optimizing your campaigns for clicks, impressions, and conversions. So these are the major reasons why one should consider advertising with Snapchat ads.